Hi, Suzy Rhoades with PassMasters, here with this week's questions of the week. This week we have Trading Securities I. You can expect this topic to appear on the SIE exam, Series 65 and Series 66. We will be taking a 10-question topic quiz from within one of our PassMasters Securities courses. Let's check out our learning management system. Non-issuer transactions take place in the secondary market, primary market, third market, or fourth market. Non-issuer transactions, shareholder to shareholder, take place in the secondary market. So you click what you believe is the correct answer, click check answer. You know you got it right if you get that green check mark. You can click show explanation and read the rationale, or you can listen. All of our questions have audio explanations. Which term does not describe a market maker? Designated market maker, dealer, underwriter, or principal. The market maker is also known as the designated market maker, dealer, or principal. Not an underwriter. The underwriter is the broker-dealer firm when they're involved in taking a new issue to market in the primary market. Which of the following is not a general function of the Federal Reserve System? Conduct monetary policy. They do that. To oversee the securities industry, promote consumer protection through the administration of consumer laws and regulation, promote the safety and soundness of individual financial institutions. Those are all true except for to oversee the securities industry. That is the job of the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC. Which bureau of the United States Department of the Treasury supports law enforcement's investigative efforts against domestic and international financial crimes? The U.S. Mint, FinCEN, IRS, or Office of the Comptroller of the Currency? It is FinCEN, the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. They are a bureau found within the Department of the Treasury. A broker charges a client a commission to manage his portfolio. This broker is considered to be which of the following? An investment advisor, a dealer, an underwriter, or an agency. When charging a fee to manage the portfolio, this broker will be considered to be an investment advisor. In which market must a prospectus be delivered to the investor? When the security is brand new, the very first time it is sold, and that occurs where? In the primary market. A person that provides advice to or on behalf of a municipal entity or obligated person with respect to municipal financial products, or the issuance of municipal securities, including advice with respect to the structure, timing, terms, and other similar matters, is which of the following? Broker-dealer, municipal advisor, registered representative, or agent. This is describing a municipal advisor. A carrying broker-dealer is also known as a clearing firm, introducing broker-dealer, prime broker, or retail firm. A carrying broker-dealer is also known as a clearing firm. The NYSE and the NASDAQ are examples of the fourth market, primary market, third market. No! They are examples of non-issuer transactions, shareholder to shareholder, secondary market transactions. Which type of broker-dealer will accept an order from a customer but will not have custody of the client's securities? This is describing an introducing broker-dealer. It is the carrying or clearing broker-dealer that would have custody. That concludes our topic of the week, Trading Securities I. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comments below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you're not a subscriber already, and turn those post notifications on. If you'd like to check out PassMasters course offerings or to enroll in any of our programs, there is a link found in this video's description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to have you as a student soon. Keep up the good work. Happy studies.
You got this.